bubbling left and right with pure delight. He slid forward with a wee sound toe, spinning his body all around. Suddenly, hoof, he slipped down fast and landed on his belly with a funny splash shred. He laughed out loud, that was so wild, dear. A silly and happy little penguin child he stood up slow and walked with care home, then restfully